Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the EPF Employee Portal. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epfindia.glv.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for EPF. Now from the home page, just hover over to the Services tab and then you can click on For Employees. This will take you to the Employees page. Now within the Services section, you will be able to find the various employee portals. Just go ahead and select your appropriate portal and now you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Just go ahead and type in your UAN or your username followed by your password. Finally enter the captcha code that is displayed in the image and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your employee account with EPF. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the sign in box and you will be allowed to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with EPF. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.